Hey everyone, this is Aishwarya from Aishwarya's table. A great way to get all the right nutrients is to make a colorful plate. Mix of good vegetables, carbohydrate and protein. So here I am presenting to you mixed veg. Let's start with the ingredients. We would require onion, ginger garlic and some chilies, 2 diced tomatoes, and for dry fruits I'm using cashew nuts, some cauliflower and my favorite mushrooms. I've used potatoes, carrots, capsicum and beans, and some essential spices: garam masala, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, red chilli powder, coriander powder, salt, oil, some fresh peas. I've used a bay leaf, cloves and cinnamon. First thing first, heat some oil in a pan and add onion, ginger garlic and green chilies. And mix it well. I'm adding some cashew out here. I love adding dry fruits to all the recipe that I make. Now we'll add some cumin seeds, now we'll add tomatoes. I've used 2 diced tomatoes. I somehow like eating raw tomatoes with some salt on it. That's my night craving vegetable. Okay, mix everything well. Add some salt because we're going to make a paste of it. So I'm cooking everything well before grinding. Okay, I will let this cool and will blend it later. So we are using this for gravy, and I think this is enough. Yeah. I'll add cauliflower first and I will let it turn brown. It tastes really different when the vegetables are little fried. Little fried, yes. I'll mix it well. And we'll add some beans. A quick toss. We let it fry for some time, and now we'll prepare the gravy out of onion tomato. I think this forms the base for almost all the veg recipes that we make. Okay, before we add mushrooms, I like to give quick storage tips. Avoid placing mushrooms near to the foods with strong odor or flavor, as they absorb them like sponge. And if you want to store mushroom more than a week, freeze it or dry them. Okay, now we'll take this out of the pan and we'll add capsicum, carrots and potatoes. So if you all know, capsicum helps reducing body weight and improves body fat, of course together with exercise, and it's also good for your hair growth. I'm adding some peas out here, and we let the vegetables cook well for around 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so this is cooked properly. I'll take this out as well. Let's add some oil. Add bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, and some cumin seeds. Okay, now we'll add the paste that we have prepared out of onion, tomatoes, ginger, garlic, and chilies. You have to cook it well till the raw taste and flavor of masala goes away along with the oil. We'll add red chili powder, salt, and coriander powder. And turmeric powder. Mix everything well. We've already cooked onion and tomatoes in the beginning, so it won't take much time, but still we have to let it cook well with the spices as well. Add water as per the gravy you want and stir it well. I always add biryani masala as it gives a different flavor. We'll add kasuri methi or fenugreek leaves. And now we'll add all the veggies and mix everything well. I'll add some more water. I'm going to keep the gravy thick, so we'll not add much water. The water is going to dry off after some time. We are not making a very thick gravy. I've added garam masala and we'll also add cashew nuts. You can skip this if you don't like dry fruits. And add some kasuri methi again. Let this cook on a low flame. And once all the vegetables are perfectly cooked, I'll add dried fenugreek leaves, and just before we put the flame off, some coriander leaves. Okay, so all the vegetables work together so beautifully. You enjoyed the recipe? Give me a big thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you all later.